Just curious, how much of when you look at a manufacturing facility, a lot of times when people talk about improving efficiency, reducing labor costs, the conversation automatically goes to automation. How much of that do you utilize in your process for transformation?
Yeah, that's a great question. At this facility I'm right at the moment, the new private equity owners just took it over. The deal closed a month or two ago, and there's another person that just wanted to bring in technology, and we said, no, hang on. We first need to see what can we do with what they have. And so you basically look at what's your utilization of your machines and your groups of people right now. How much can
Hmm.
you improve it with what you have? Because new technology, if you rush it in, it's a nightmare. There's been so many case studies where SAP or big implementations took a weak company and because you really have to know what your process is. If you are really good already, it's not as much a risk. But if
Right.
you're not used to that technology, it takes time to incorporate it.